So let's just talk about how we can extend this EventEmitter class to create our own custom class that can emit and listen to events. So let's just create one file, greeter.js. First of all, we're going to import the EventEmitter class, and then let's just create our own greeter class which will extend the EventEmitter class. Now our custom greeter class will have access to all of the methods and properties of this EventEmitter class. So first of all, let's just create one constructor and call the super method. So this super method will call the constructor of this EventEmitter class. Let's now create one onGreet method. It will take one callback function, and this will basically just register the greet event with the callback function. And then we're gonna have the greet method which will take the name and the place, and it will emit, so this dot emit, and it will emit the greet event with the name and the place. Now because we wanted to access this custom greeter class from other modules, so we have to export that module.exports. So let's just export the greeter class. Now here in the main.js we have to import this greeter class. So we have to write require greeter, and now we have to create one instance of this greeter class. So const greet equal new greeter. So now we can use that instance of this greeter class, and we can access all of these different methods. So this method is basically to register this greet event with this callback function, and this greet is basically emitting this greet event. So here we're just gonna use that object, and we're gonna call the onGreet method, and it will take this callback function. We're just gonna pass one function with the object as the parameter, and it will basically print the name and the place just like earlier. And after that, call the greet method with the name and the place. So now if we run node main, so we're getting the error cannot find module greeter. So we have to use /, and this is a small g. So let's now see if it works now. So yeah, it is working fine. So we're getting the output welcome to node and with the name and the place. So here we're just creating one custom class which extends this EventEmitter class. That means our class will have access to all of the methods and properties of the EventEmitter class, and here we are just using them. We are using the on method to register the event, and we are using the emit method to emit one event. So this is one very powerful mechanism for handling asynchronous events. So this approach is particularly useful in building modular and scalable application, and also this way of coding promotes clean and maintainable code. So that's it for the video. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.